Welcome back to 876 Recipes TV. In this video I'm going to do a quick and easy garlic bread recipe. Garlic bread is my favorite bread. So I'm using 2 leveled cups of all-purpose flour that I sifted. To that I am adding 1 tablespoon instant yeast, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, ½ teaspoon salt, ensuring that the salt and the yeast do not mix, 1 egg eyes removed, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, and 2 tablespoons melted margarine. So now I'm going to incorporate the yeast into the flour, and then I am going to incorporate the rest of the ingredients. And then I'm going to mix the dough. I'm going to mix the flour into a dough using lukewarm water, ensuring that the water is lukewarm because hot water kills the yeast. You can also use milk if you don't want to use water. You can start it out with just 1 cup, but I use less than 1 cup. If you will be following this recipe and the dough is sticky at this point, just sprinkle on a little tiny bit, that is straight Jamaican talking, a little tiny bit of flour. You don't want to use a lot of flour at this time, and you should shape the dough into a ball shape. So now I am greasing the container with a little bit of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice if you will be following this recipe. So now I'm going to place the dough into the container, but before that I'm just rubbing a little bit of the oil in the palm of my hands to prevent the dough from sticking to my hands. Then I'm trying to get the dough into a ball shape. That's why I'm twisting it in the containers, because I want the bottom to round. So now I am covering the dough with a plastic bag, and then I'm gonna use a dish towel to cover the container as well. Then I'm gonna put it into the microwave for 1 hour. So now I'm gonna make garlic butter. So I'm using 8 cloves of garlic that I am pressing, and then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of melted margarine to the minced garlic. Give it a good stir and then set it aside until I'm ready to use it. After an hour, I remove the dough from the microwave, and now I'm going to release the gas or the hair, whatever you want to call it, from the dough. Okay, so now I am adding just a little bit of flour to a cutting board, and the flour is to prevent the dough from sticking. And I'm trying to get the dough into a ball shape, but the thing is this, I don't want to ackle the dough too much. So I'm going to use a knife and cut the dough into halves. because I don't have the fancy thing that you use and cut the dough, and I am not gonna bite because a knife can cut the dough as well, right? Yeah, man. Can't waste money nowadays. So now I'm placing off into the container. I'm gonna cover it to prevent it from drying out. So now I'm gonna roll the half of dough into a ball shape. I am not gonna ackle the flour a lot. So now I am gonna use a rolling pin just to roll it out a bit, maybe like 3 inches thick. So now I'm gonna add the garlic butter. I'm gonna use a brush to spread the garlic butter evenly. So now I'm gonna fold the dough. If you look at the video, you will understand what I'm talking about, and ensuring that the ends are sealed. And this is the Jamaican garlic bread. Okay, the Jamaican garlic bread, no parsley is added to the garlic butter, right? So no parsley is added. So now I'm using a knife just to slightly cut the top part of the dough. Shouldn't cut it right through, only the top part. And then I'm gonna brush some more of the garlic butter onto the dough. So now I'm going to put it into a preheated air fryer and air fry the garlic bread for 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. You can put it in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for like 20 minutes or so. And this is it. This is my soft and fluffy and nice garlic bread. I love it when it is hot. And you can try this recipe. It is so nice. It is easy to make your own food at home. Okay? Yeah, man. But it is very hot right now, and that's how I love it. Really soft, flavorful, and everything like that. I love garlic bread. So you can try this recipe and see how it turns out for you. I am guaranteed that if you follow this recipe to the T, your garlic bread will turn out soft and nice and fluffy. Okay? Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Walk good.